Welcome back to Semih Bulgur's channel, where we bring you delightful recipes that are both easy and packed with flavor. Today, we're diving into the world of roast chicken, infusing it with aromatic herbs and zesty lemon for a meal that's sure to impress. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get ready to roast. Let's start with the essential ingredients for our roast chicken with herbs and lemon. A whole chicken, fresh rosemary, thyme, sage, lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper. First, preheat the oven to the recommended temperature and prepare the chicken by patting it dry and placing it on a roasting pan. Next, create an herb-infused olive oil rub by mixing chopped rosemary, thyme, and sage with olive oil. Rub this mixture all over the chicken for a burst of flavor. Don't forget the zesty lemon. Squeeze the juice over the chicken and place the lemon halves inside the cavity for an extra citrus kick. Generously season the chicken with salt and pepper, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors. For an elegant presentation, consider trussing the chicken before roasting to impress your guests. Roast the chicken in the preheated oven until it reaches the recommended internal temperature, capturing the golden brown perfection of the dish. After roasting, let the chicken rest before carving to allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a succulent and tender dish. Experiment with different herb combinations and use a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken is cooked to perfection. Don't forget to save the pan juices for a delicious homemade gravy. There you have it, our incredible homemade roast chicken with herbs and lemon. A perfect centerpiece for any gathering or a cozy family dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more culinary adventures. And let me know in the comments what you'd love to roast next. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit!